It isn't doing it very well.
Don't make me laugh. I'm trying to keep a straight face, yeah?
Do it. What? Hello, tiny pigeon. Not pigeon, seagull.
It's a chicken. Stop that. The slower you do it, the better the outcome. The faster you do it, the harder it is. Do you want the easy version or the hard version?
Easy.
Then do it slowly.
Yeah.
Move out of here for me, please. Right then, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back everybody.
Welcome back.
This is Envis, otherwise known as Rainbow. And your driving test is in how many weeks?
7, 4.
Yeah.
6.
4.
It's on the 25th of September.
6 weeks, okay.
It was meant to be in 4.
So, we've got plenty of time to iron out any potential wrinkles and creases and things like that, yeah? Good.
It'll be fine.
Do you think you needed the extra time?
I don't know, I guess we'll see when the day comes around.
Right then, drive for me then, please.
It's never going to be a bad thing, having extra time.
Of course not, no. Because the simple reason is, okay, if you rush into it and you go in a little bit too soon for your driving test and you fail, getting another driving test,
It's
okay,
impossible.
is next year.
Yeah.
Do you know it's January now?
Yeah.
So like, you're better off just holding back a little bit now and getting an extra few in, just to make sure that you're increasing your chances of passing. Makes sense, really.
I'm feeling pretty confident.
Good.
I'm not gonna fail.
Show me what a safe driver looks like.
Okay.
The hair on your driving license is short and blonde.
It's up.
Oh, right.
And yeah, it is blonde, but it's just like scraped back in a ponytail.
Oh, right. Okay.
So, but as long as I do really horrible blocky eyebrows, I still look like it.
Cool. Nothing wrong with blocky eyebrows.
No, I mean I've got a fringe at the moment, so I can't even see my eyebrows. There's cute. Yeah, I've had people like refuse my ID because of that picture.
So you've stolen somebody else's driving.
Yeah, even though it's obviously me if you look at the facial features.
Yeah.
If I do heavy eye makeup,
yeah,
it's obviously me. But yeah, I've had people refuse it when I've got like no makeup on in the shop and stuff. I feel weird, I forgot to put all my rings on, so my hands feel naked.
Nothing wrong with naked hands. So, we will be taking in a variety of different types of road.
Yeah.
We turn right at the next junction, please. Then we'll turn left at the end, please.
Okay. We never usually go there.
Exactamente. Straight ahead, first exit at the roundabout, please. So we go left at the roundabout, please. First exit. Take take the next turning right, please, then immediate left. So the right, then left. Yeah, up Skippergoch. This is the road I was brought up on.
Yeah, this is where my auntie still lives. Oh, I've well overshot that.
Right, then put it into first for me.
Yeah.
Did you have enough time to make it? You did, didn't you? Assess that traffic coming towards you.
It would be like now that there's like 20 cars in the road. Okay, no pressure. Go. Do it still.
That's it. At last I hit left indicator, left mirror. Now I was watching your right foot, okay? When you came off the brake, yeah? You hardly touched that gas pedal at all.
Okay.
You need to press it down at least halfway.
Yeah.
Okay? No vroom, no zoom. Yeah? Without power, you're not going to go anywhere.
No.
You just about got away with it because you're really good with your clutch. Okay? There's a crossroads coming up. We're going straight ahead of the crossroads.
Okay.
Now then, how far can you see?
Not very.
Come to a stop at the junction for me. Even if it's safe to go, I'd like you to stop at the junction. There we go. Now then, no vroom.
No zoom.
That's it. Watching your right foot, push it down halfway. Hold it, push it down halfway. There we go. If you don't supply the power, especially doing a hill start like that, then you are really risking a stall on you, yeah?
Yeah.
No power, no go.
Yeah.
Now then, this estate we're driving around now, it's a very challenging estate to drive around, okay? We take the next turning right, please. It's the estate I grew up on.
Yeah, I like half grew up here as well, goes to my auntie's house and that.
Between the ages of about 7 and 18, something like that.
Yeah.
This is the estate I lived on. So we'll take the next turning left, please. As you can see, it's a nice posh estate.
The poshest.
Oh yes.
That street there behind us, it has got some posh houses on it.
It has indeed. At the end of the road, we'll turn right, please.
Okay.
Not sure. You're always welcome to put it into first gear if it's a really slow junction, yeah? Can you feel the car struggling, vibrating, yeah? Some junctions, okay, blind junctions, the ones where you can't see very far, that you need to do at 2, 3, 4 miles an hour, down into first, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done for spotting it. Well done for putting it into first.
Thanks. Oh, there's a big
Follow
tank.
the road round to the left for me, please.
That way, this way?
Yes, that's the left.
Okay.
Take the next turning on the right, please.
Okay. Where are you going? Stay there.
Excellent, well done. We'll take the next turning on the right, please, into the car park. Then I'd like you to come to a stop for me.
Hello, tiny pigeon. Not pigeon, seagull.
It's a chicken. Stop that.
Just here.
That's it. I'd like you to reverse into any of the bays on the left for me, please.
Okay. Am I too I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna ask you questions. Okay. Come on. Oh no, it isn't doing it very well.
Don't make me laugh. I'm trying to keep a straight face, yeah.
What do I do in this situation? Just readjust?
Yeah, that's it. All you got to do is readjust. But still, be like a radar on top of a ship. See all that space you've got in front of you?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it? Are you going to use it or are you going to let it go to waste?
I'm going to use it.
There we go.
Okay. There.
Thank you, and that's it, well done. Stop talking, David, stop helping her.
Off the road,
not quite in reverse gear, so clutch down for me.
Shit.
That's it. There she is. Do you feel that click?
Yeah.
Well done.
There's like 2 clicks, isn't there?
Think about your steering. Go. Slow you go. Look in that mirror. There we go. Move away when ready, please. So just one minor for a readjustment, okay? What's top of your list of priorities when it comes to anything to do with reversing?
Observations.
And what's number 2? Very, 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 very,
Slow.
very. That's it.
I haven't got a handbrake one, so.
Take the next turning left, please. And at the end of the road we'll turn right. See, there's another turning just now.
Oh yeah.
So now I'm indicated right. Follow the road ahead for me, please. You okay?
Yeah.
So, Envis, if you wasn't doing your driving test, what would you be doing today?
Probably helping my father sort out all of our shoes because he's only got one hand at the moment. He's decided to sort all the shoes out.
Okay, how many shoes have you got?
Oh, so many shoes. So many. I like shoes. He likes shoes as well, but not as much as me.
Wow.
And I found a new shoe rack in a skip the other day, so we're going to use that.
Nice. Clutch down. Burst.
I thought we might be able to not stop left, that's all.
What did the speed come down to? Walking speed almost, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. Take advantage of that. Take advantage of it. Let's go. See, there's nobody there. But I promise you, there are no invisible cars in Carnarvon today, okay? Because if you're looking and there's nobody there, and you're sure there's nobody there, and left mirror, left indicator, left mirror again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. There we go. The big roundabout, that one, with 2 lanes on it, yeah? It's quite a fast roundabout, that one. Now then, while you're driving, the examiner will ask you one of the show me questions on a nice easy road normally. So, when safe to do so, can you show me how you'd switch on the dipped headlights on this vehicle, please?
No, I can't.
There we go. It's only one minor. It's not the end of the world.
I really don't count.
As long as you don't drift or slow down too much. Now then.
I know it's on this thing, I just don't know exactly how.
Let's deal with that in front of us. What's the speed limit along here?
50, right?
It's a 60.
Oh, okay.
That's it. So, what's a safe speed to do along here?
Like 55?
Minimum. Let's go. It's nice and dry. It's quiet. You've got 2 lanes there. Keep an eye on him. If it's a 60 and it's safe to do 60, do 60. The magic words, yeah? If safe to do so.
Yeah.
You can put those magic words in front of or after everything to do with driving, okay? We're going straight ahead of the roundabout. Second exit towards Pwllheli, please.
Okay.
Make me feel safe.
Straight ahead, oh shit. Second exit towards...
Second exit.
Am I in the right lane?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And then here.
Stay in your lane, stay in your lane. Don't cut that corner, okay? You started cutting across then, okay? If there would have been a Ferrari next to you, you'd have had a bill of £15,000 for a new bumper for it, okay? Do not cross. Stay in your lane. On the big roundabouts, when there's 2 lanes on the approach to a roundabout, it's super important that there's 2 lanes on the roundabout. Stay in your lane, okay?
Yeah.
Don't take shortcuts.
Yeah. So I should be in the right lane.
There's the sign. Yes, you should be. But you can't. So now you have no option. You either have to go straight ahead of the roundabout or left, okay? You can't because you need to be in the right-hand lane to go all the way around. The second gear clutch back up, little bit of gas.
Where am I going?
You have to go either left or straight ahead, okay?
You're turn around somewhere.
That's right. Now then, if we were going to go left, we should have indicated left, okay?
Okay, yeah, I know.
Now
I was just confused about what to do.
Yeah.
Shall I?
On the approach, okay, as soon as you hear the words, the directions, either from the sat-nav or the examiner, start thinking about positioning, lanes, speed, all the things that you need to do, okay?